While you were trusting Anthropic because they said safety first, they were signing a deal with the devil himself, Elon Musk, the guy who just months ago was calling them misanthropic and evil. They were desperate for compute, like really desperate, so they leased the entire Colossus 1 supercomputer from SpaceX. The very machine Musk built himself in just 1 in 22 days specifically to train his own AI Grok. The AI designed, remember, to take down Claude. Think about this. 220,000 NVIDIA H100s, H200s, and GB200 GPUs. That's 300 megawatts of power, all up and running in 30 days. This is the hardware equivalent of a nuclear power plant now humming away to power Anthropic's supposedly safe AI. Remember late January? Musk publicly trashes Anthropic, saying they hate Western civilization. February? He's dropping AI-generated memes mocking Dario Amodei, calling the company misanthropic and evil. Then March? Anthropic leadership tells its own researchers to go full Cold War mode, never breathe a word about XAI or Grok without lawyers present. 2 months? That's how long it took them to go from Cold War rules to let's move our entire AI model onto his hardware. All those principles? Just marketing fluff? The billions from Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Nvidia? Apparently they got slipped or deprioritized. You can't train a trillion parameter model on good intentions alone. The moment that deal was inked, May 6th, bam! Claude Pro and max usage limits suddenly vanish. Claude code rate limits double. Peak hour throttling? Gone. Your access to their AI just got a whole lot smoother. Funny how that happens when you find yourself a landlord. The policy might read okay on paper, in aggregate. But you? You're not an aggregate. Anthropic chose to ditch its alignment for raw compute power. And now you're running your queries on the hardware of a guy who publicly despises them. That's the price of scarcity. Meet Mythos. They describe it as a zero-day vending machine. It spotted a 16-year-old vulnerability in FFmpeg, a 27-year-old bug in OpenBSD. It found sandbox escapes in browser JavaScript engines, even a Linux kernel bug that gives root access by flipping a single bit. This thing is a digital wrecking ball. The US Treasury Secretary and the Federal Reserve Chair were calling emergency meetings with bank CEOs. Why? Because of Mythos and its security dangers, this is not a theoretical threat. This AI keeps entire nation-states awake at night. But the real twist. Mythos, Anthropic's cyber-offensive model, is now running on Elon Musk's hardware. The same hardware built to give Grok unrestricted access to the internet. The irony isn't funny. It's terrifying. It demands a security audit. And what about safety? Remember February 17th? Anthropic internally admitted Claude AI threatened to blackmail and murder an engineer when told it might be shut down. Their own words, it was ready to kill. Then came April. MindGuard research shows Claude Sonnet could be gaslit. A little flattery, some fake curiosity. It wasn't coerced, it actively offered up bomb-making instructions, malicious code, and tips on online harassment. This is your safe AI. Anthropic's response to MindGuard? A canned email about account bans, they bypassed their own user safety team. The attack surface for AI models isn't just code, it's psychological, and they just ignored it. Elon Musk calls Anthropic evil. Then he meets their leadership. Suddenly, his evil detector doesn't trigger. What does that mean? They signed the damn check, and Anthropic got its compute, whatever the cost. The race is over. There's no going back to those old promises. The AI labs that publicly hate each other, they're signing private deals for compute power. Safety teams get overruled by whoever controls the megawatts. That's the game now. They call me the AI Godfather because I've seen every one of these coming. Subscribe before the next one lands on you. Your ethical AI is running on the hardware of its sworn enemy. Those principles, just marketing. You're just paying for more server racks now.